Welcome back everyone to this new Laxmi video. We hope that everything is good today. This beautiful machine has been sold to one of our clients, and we will watch together how perfectly it works. Let's get started. At first, we can see the operator checking the machine and looking at everything in where it should be. Safety and precision is very important to us. Then we can see our friendly operator ready for showing us some manual operations with the gear grinder. After that, an automatic cycle will be start too. This simple movement of the grinding wheel is done by pressing the forward and the backward commands available on the machine panel. Here's some technical specifications of the machine. It is a very well-known model, so maybe you could recognize the data that you are seeing. Now it comes the cool part. By closing the door and pressing the start button, the gear grinder starts is automatic cycle that you can program according to your working needs. Looking at this beautiful engineering masterpiece is always exciting. We love to bring you this type of content. The next step is to see the dressing cycle in action, but first we need to make sure that stopping the machine is safe and doesn't return to us an error. While we wait, why you don't go to visit our website at www.laxmiuseamachine.com. Also, if you want to check all our social media, links are always in the description below. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, where we post daily and multiple times. The grinder is now ready and safe to stop. The operator proceeds to open the protective panel of the machine and preparing it for a simulation of a dressing process. The dressing process starts with the grinding wheel centering himself with the dresser, and after that, the operator manually starts the dressing wheel. As you can see, this process is almost fully automatic too. The video ends here. What do you think? Did you like it? Let us know your feedback and consider to subscribe if you want to see more and stay updated. Thank you for watching. See you next time.